If you're just starting out as a public speaker, there's one mistake that I see over and over again. And I'll tell you what that is in 1 second. I am AmondaRose Igoe, speaking success strategist and creator of She Powered Speaking. So, what's the biggest mistake that most new speakers and emerging speakers make? Here it is. It's what I call the data dump. So what is the data dump? The data dump is where you want to share so much information with the audience because you want to help them, you want to change their lives, you want to impact them, that you literally dump information on them and leaving them with their head spinning. Oh my gosh, it's too much. I don't know how I can process all this information this person shared. I love that they did that, but I'm overwhelmed. And if you're a coach, consultant, or service based business owner, no one will hire you when you do that because if you've overwhelmed them in your presentations, you're going to overwhelm them in your coaching or services as well. That's what they're thinking. So, how do you change that? Ask yourself as you're preparing your talk, your presentation, your keynote, your team meeting, yourself, do they need to know this? Do they need to know this? Is it essential to their success? Can they learn something or this information afterwards? Do they need to know it right now? And once you do that, a bunch of your content is going to go out the window and be shared with them later on. See how easy that is? Remember, ask yourself, do they need to know this? And avoid the data dump. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel because I got more good stuff coming your way.